下肢像是需要您放在心上的，你不要忘记三宝，也不可以泄露三宝。二不感到爱德三多表现，多行功积德，如此我们才可以为天上的父家乡。
Our spiritual lofty is a temporary home for our soul. When the good in our life comes to an end, our soul will leave the body and enter another world. The treasures we have received are the token for returning to the heavenly home. They are the most important things in our lives. The following are three main points that you need to keep in mind. 1. Do not forget and disclose the treasures. 2. Do not do anything illegal, immoral, or harmful to yourself and others. 3. Do as much as you can do to fulfill their vows and if you humane care and virtues. By following these 3 points, you will be able to return to the heavenly home.
现在，让我们来简单地介绍一下三宝。
Now, let us briefly introduce the 3 treasures.
第一宝，玄关窍，灵性进屋的门户。
The first treasure, heavenly portal, the main gate to our true nature/true self.
在庄严神圣的修道仪式中，便禅师在我们的玄关窍各门一点，点燃了自信之光明，当下玄关窍立刻现出了如同绿豆大小般之佛光。我们可以看一样个宗教圣人的画像，每位圣人之头部都有一个光圈，此光乃是自信之光。借着后续的修行及行功立德，此佛光会逐渐扩大，最后就像各招圣人的光圈一样地光亮圆满，展现出来的智慧及和平，随着因缘愿力而自负利益众生。
During the solemn holy now receiving ceremony, now transmitting master formed at our heavenly portal to illuminate the light of our true nature. A small halo will radiate from the heavenly portal immediately afterwards. If we look at the portraits of the saints of different religions, we will see that they all have one thing in common, which is the halo behind each saint and head. The halo is the light emitted from the true nature. The halo will expand in accordance with our cultivation and accumulation of merits and virtues. Eventually, our halos can be as round and bright as the halos of the saints. Then, the wisdom and virtue we exhibit in our company, our vows and affinities to benefit all mankind.
玄关是一个修门，也是修心的下手部。行住坐卧之中，常抽搐身心，从玄关发出之念头，都是正念、慈悲心、喜舍心、智慧心。听其心念在玄关，转动玄关至心是三世尽对一切事物，便能与佛菩萨以心印心。
Heavenly portal is the main gate of our body. It is also the starting point for us to cultivate our heart. Every day we need to manage our
主人，真主人也是住在我们的家里面。每间房子都会有主人的房间，主人有主人该睡的地方，客人有客人该睡的地方，这不能错乱的。
Receiving vows to help us recognize the true master. Our body is like a house. Now, we know that the true master lives in our house. Every house has a master bedroom. The master bedroom is the room where the master sleeps. The guests have to sleep in the guest room, while only the master should sleep in the master bedroom. This arrangement should not be altered in any way.
各教经典也有关于玄关教之论述。子曰：谁曾夫妇有妇和过犹之道，也每个人要走出房子，都要经由门户。肉体有如火宅，修行者欲跳脱自火宅之束缚，何不走这一条光明大道呢
？Secrets and scriptures of different religions all contain descriptions of the heavenly world. Confucius said, "You can go out without using the door so far doesn't see anybody follow the way. Not everyone gets out of the house through the door. Some people walk around like a burning house. A cultivator needs to take the cord and like that in order to break free from the confinement of the burning house."
圣经里也提到，
Testimonies of the heavenly world can also be found in the Holy Bible.
眼睛就是天上的灯，
The light of the body is the eye.
你的眼睛若表亮，全身就光明；你的眼睛若昏花，全身就黑暗。你里头的光若黑暗了，那黑暗是何等大呀！
The lamp of the body is the eye. If therefore my mind is single, my whole body shall be full of light.
马太福音
Matthew 6:22. But if my mind be evil, my whole body shall be full of darkness. If therefore the light that is indeed darkness, how great is the darkness?
马太福音
Matthew 6:23. The lamp of my body is my mind. When my mind is single, my whole body also is full of light. But when it is evil, my body also is full of darkness.
路加福音
Luke 11:34.
你只有一只眼进入众生，常如有两只眼泪都在地狱的火里面。
It is good for me to enter into life with one eye, rather than having two eyes to be cast into the hell of fire.
马太福音
Matthew 18:4-9.
试问是用火点还是用点上天堂进入众生呢？肉眼早晚会毁坏的，如何使人上天堂呢？
After reading the above verses, some lessons may arise. For example, should we enter heaven entertaining eternal life? family court is open if we comfortably advise sincerely for some period of time, then both our internal and external body parts, including our court, will be luminous. This is true for all members who have cultivated sincerely and truthfully. However, the light and air emanating from the body cannot be seen with the naked eye.
佛师也提醒，无有正法眼常涅槃妙心不立文字，教外别传解释问。佛陀所言之正法是常在所显过有眼呢，或是以三之真理研究做到的人就很清楚答案了。
And the Buddhist Sutra, Shakyamuni Buddha also said,